here one matrix is given, right? So let me take okay, so one matrix is given. So we want to check whether it is orthogonal, symmetric, anti-symmetric, unitary, right? So let us symmetric and anti-symmetric, that is not possible because A transpose never be equal to A. A transpose never be equal to minus A also. By taking transpose, this alignment will change, right? Row become column and column become row, right? So next possibility is orthogonal and unitary. To check that unitary checking, we required A dagger, right? What is A dagger? Transpose conjugate. So first I am finding A dagger. A dagger is equal to, what is the transpose of this? 1 by root 3 into, so 1 minus I, right? So 1 minus I transpose, right? This column as a row, then 1 plus I minus 1, 1 plus I minus 1, right? Now its conjugate, right? We should take a transpose conjugate is A dagger, right? So that is 1 by root 3 into, now conjugate I am taking 1, then I become minus I, right? Then this become 1 plus I, this become again 1 minus I, this become minus 1. All imaginary numbers convert into negative of that. That is a conjugate, right? Alright. Now this is A dagger, right? Now A dagger into A I am doing, right? A dagger into A, if it is I, if it is identity matrix, then we know that it is a unitary matrix. Now 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 by 3, right? Now so 1 by root 3 into A dagger I am doing, then 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 by 3 into 1, 1, right? And 1 plus I into 1 minus I, that is 1 minus I square, right? That is 1 minus I square, that is what? Plus 2, right? 1 minus I square is plus 2, that is 1 into I square is minus 1, then that is 2, then 1 plus 2. Now this row with this, right? 1 into 1 plus I, that is 1 plus I, 1 plus I into minus 1, that is minus 1 plus I. So minus 1 plus I plus minus 1 plus I, that is 0, right? 0, right? Next 1 minus I into 1, that is 1 minus I. 1 minus I into minus 1, that is minus 1y, then that is 0, right? Now 1 minus I into 1 plus I, that is 1 square minus I square, that is again 2, and minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, then 2 plus 1, that is 3 again, right? Now that is A dagger A is equal to, see this is 3, then 3 by 3, that is 1, so this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So this is equal to I, so this option is correct, right?